The possibilities of making money with just a smartphone and Pixellab are endless. In the digital era, creative entrepreneurship knows no bounds, and with the power of Pixellab at your fingertips, you hold the key to a world of opportunities. This versatile design tool empowers you to become a graphic wizard, crafting captivating visuals for clients or your own digital assets. From personalized branding to eye-catching merchandise, Pixellab enables you to turn your artistic flair into a lucrative venture. With a few swipes and taps, you can create stunning designs that captivate audiences, driving sales and opening doors to new income streams. Join us as we embark on a journey of creativity and entrepreneurship, discovering the boundless potential of making money with just your smartphone and Pixellab. Pixellab is a user-friendly mobile application that transforms anyone into a skilled graphics designer within days. With its intuitive interface and easy-to-use features, you can create stunning designs effortlessly. From logos to social media posts, Pixellab empowers you to craft captivating visuals without the need for prior design experience. Unleash your creativity and design like a pro with Pixellab. Making money with Pixellab is an exciting venture that harnesses your creativity and design skills. Here's how you can turn your talent into profit. Freelance graphic design. Utilize Pixellab to create eye-catching designs for clients seeking logos, social media posts, banners, and more. Offer your services on freelance platforms, building a reputation for high-quality work and attracting a steady stream of clients. Social media content creation. Showcase your Pixellab designs on Instagram, Pinterest, or other platforms to attract followers. As your audience grows, collaborate with brands for sponsored posts or influencer partnerships. Publishing. Design captivating ebook covers with Pixellab and offer your services to authors and self-publishers. Additionally, publish your own ebooks and use your designs to boost sales. Online course creation. Share your Pixellab expertise through online courses or tutorials on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Earn income from course enrollments while helping others enhance their design skills. Branding services for startups. Target startups and small businesses seeking branding services. Use Pixellab to create cohesive brand identities, including logos, business cards, and marketing materials. And by leveraging Pixellab's versatility and your creative flair, you can establish multiple income streams while doing what you love. The key lies in marketing your skills, building a strong online presence, and continuously improving your design expertise. Embrace the possibilities, and Pixellab can be your gateway to a rewarding and profitable design career.